subtle, subtle, cover, cover, comfortable, comfortable, extraordinary, extraordinary, entrepreneur, entrepreneur, amateur, amateur, albeit, albeit, colonel, colonel, lieutenant in British English, lieutenant in American English, lieutenant in British English, lieutenant in American English, sergeant, sergeant, plumber, plumber, government, government, register, register, vacuum, vacuum, silhouette, silhouette, salmon, salmon, haughty, haughty, sacred, sacred, sovereign, sovereign, key, key, explain, explain, expensive, expensive, experience, experience, educate, educate, education, education, school, school, error, error in British English, error, error in American English, mistake, mistake, afford, afford, effort, effort, admire, admire, anxiety, anxiety, bruise, bruise, cruise, cruise, conscience, conscience, comfort, comfort, cruel, cruel, debt, debt, mortgage, mortgage, develop, develop, leopard, leopard, astonish, astonished, ancient, ancient, crescendo, crescendo, debut, debut, film, film, feel, feel, chronic, chronic, acute, acute, almond, almond in British English, almond, almond in American English, discover, discover, berry, berry, genre, genre, despair, despair, sustain, sustain, escape, escape, vegetable, vegetable, salad, salad, premier, premier, exhibit, exhibit, vehicle, vehicle, molecule, molecule, atom, atom in British English, atom, atom in American English, lion, lion, womb, womb, discuss, discuss, oil, oil, onion, onion, servant, servant, sword, sword, jewel, jewel, lettuce, lettuce, iron, iron, island, island, marry, marry, guarantee, guarantee, oven, oven, receipt, receipt, history, history, parish, parish, doubt, doubt, edit, edit, elephant, elephant, tomb, tomb, milieu, milieu, hitherto, hitherto, poignant, poignant, endeavor, endeavor, disciple, disciple, threat, threat, threaten, threaten,